All right, here we go. Page 3 of the review for 10.1 through 10.6. We have a circle. Find the circumference of each circle. So circumference is 2 pi r. So, and leave it in terms of pi. All right, so 2 times my radius is 16 times pi. So 32 pi. Next problem. 2 pi r. I could use the diameter, but I like using 2 pi r. So 2 times my radius is only half of this, so 8 times pi. So this is going to be 16 pi. Again, I could have went pi times d. And then the last one is 2 pi r. And so 2 times my radius, which is 3.9 times pi. And multiplying this out will give me 7.8 pi. Two major arcs. So remember, a major arc goes more than 180 degrees, and also you usually use 3 letters. So let's take a look. BEA. So from here all the way around here would be a major arc. AED. AED, so going this way, AED would be a major arc. Again, I could go AED or DEA, whichever way you want to do it. EFA. EFA is a semicircle. So EFD. EFD would be another major arc. And EAD, that's the same one. All right, so there's 3 of them. 2 minor arcs. So ED would be an example. ED would be an example of a minor arc. EF would be an example of a minor arc. AB would be an example of a minor arc. AF would be an example of a minor arc. And AD would be an example of a minor arc. Find the measure of each arc in angle C, okay? So AE, from A to E. If this is 90, then this would have to be 90, and this is a central angle, so the angle and the arc are the same. All right, so this would be 90. DBA, DBA, so from here to here. So 90 plus 130. 90 plus 130 is going to give me 220. ABD, ABD. So 90 plus 130 is going to give me 220. ED, ED right here. Well, this is a straight line. So that's 180. So 180 minus the 130 will leave me with 50. 180 minus 130. AED, AED. So 90 plus the 50, because this is 50, right? ED, ED is 50. So AED is going to give me 90 plus 50, which is 140. And then BD, because this is a central angle, is the same, the arc is the same, so 130. Find the length of each arc, leave it in terms of pi. All right. So AB, because this is a central angle. So AB then is going to equal 90 because the angle is the same as the arc. So AB, the arc over is 90 because angle AOB. Angle AOB is a central angle. So it's going to be 90. All right, CDE. CDE. So from here all the way to here, you're going to take 360 and subtract the 40. So that'll leave you with 320. And they want to know the arc all the way around. So yeah, 320. The arc length. Okay, so this is part of it. So I need to go 40 times 2 pi r. So 2 times r, which is 9, times pi. They want me to leave it in terms of pi. And then divide all of that by 360. And so when I do this, 40, the 0, 0. So 4 goes in this 9 times. 9 will go into 9. And so my answer will be 2 pi. All right. And FH from here all the way to here. So FG is equal to 90. So I have 90 plus 45, which is equal to, 135. All right. And then the last one's down here. This is a trapezoid, but I got to find the height. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c squared is my hypotenuse, which is 10 in this problem. 6 squared plus a squared plus 36 is going to equal 100. And subtract 36 from both sides. Excuse me. So you get a squared then is equal to 64. So a is equal to 8. So this is 8. Excuse me. So a is equal to 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases. So 1/2, my height in this problem is 8. One base is 8, and the other base is 15. 9 plus 6. And so doing the math on this, I'll end up with 92 centimeters squared. And then this one is a parallelogram, so area is equal to base times height. And this is, again, you look for the right angle. This is where the base and the height is. So this is going to be 6 times 12. And when I do that, I get 72 inches squared.